What will the cats do?
It's bad. They'll get over it.
Alright.
They're cats, no they won't.
Well, no, I fed them before.
No, they're not.
And they're gonna pretend that you didn't when we
She's
come
carrying a
home.
hammer, and she says that she's on her way to fix the confessional. Can she help you?
She's still fixing that fucking thing?
She's still fixing the confessional.
That's a very handy gnome.
Yeah, I mean, most of us are pretty handy. But we need to see the father, please.
Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. We also have a Patreon. You can listen to the full podcast in most podcast places, or head on over to tabletopofdoom.com.